What's up, online shoppers? I was just gifted this really awesome bottle of castor oil from Viva Naturals, and it is not just castor oil, it is other cool things too. So let's open up this package and see what you get. Now, castor oil traditionally has been used as serum for eyebrows and eyelashes, and also for all kinds of face treatments. In this set, not only do you get a 473 milliliter or 16 fluid ounce bottle of the Viva Naturals castor oil, you also get this really cool eye care set. Comes in a great little container, and all you have to do is open it up, and inside this little container you have a vial with a mascara brush in it so that you can use this to help encourage your lashes to grow. Now as well, they also provide for you a variety of different tools for applying the castor oil to your eyebrows and to your eyelashes. Super convenient, super cute little case, really, really awesome. Now let's get into what makes this a great product. Castor oil is definitely a versatile beauty oil. It is great as a moisturizer, and it has lots of rich nutrients in it that are very gentle and kind to your skin. Not only that, you can use it on your nails too, and as a moisturizer anywhere you want to put it. I have been using the Viva Naturals products for quite a while, and I have to say they are my favorite products. If it comes down to buying something new and I have the choice to buy a Viva Naturals one, I reach for that one every time. So castor oil is made from the seed pods of the castor plant, and I absolutely love incorporating this into my skincare and my hair and nail routine. It's a great moisturizer. It also works really well to support eyelash and eyebrow growth and hair growth as well too. Let's put this into action. So this beauty kit comes with this really awesome little vial. So we're gonna open this up and fill up our vial just like that. Look at how thick and rich that is. It has a really nice clear color to it, and you can see how moisturizing it is because it just literally comes out thick. Okay, we're gonna fill that up like that. I'm gonna put in my brush stopper like this, push it into place, and now I'm gonna put my mascara wand in here. Now this is a great way to get castor oil onto your lashes. They also send you this really great little brow brush right here, specifically shaped to get this on your brows, and as well this tiny little liner brush for easy applications right along the eye line. And finally, they also send you a backup mascara wand. So look at all these awesome products in the beauty kit that comes with the Viva Naturals castor oil. If you are looking to add castor oil to your beauty routine, this is a great place to start. Super high quality materials. And let's just check out the benefits here. Cold pressed, they call it nature's emollient, and it is great for hair, skin, and nails. And as well, take a look at that. Can't beat that, can ya? If you were looking for a great plant-based solution to add moisture to your skin, to encourage hair and nail growth, castor oil is great. And as I've said before, Viva Naturals is one of my favorite brands that I reach for every single time. This is an awesome set, and as well with this thoughtful little kit that has all you need to use the castor oil on your eyebrows and eyes, definitely a family favorite at my house.